Hello, my name is Stephen Green and this is English with Stephen, and I'm here today with another video of 2-Minute Wonder in which I try to present and show you how to use an English phrase in less than 2 minutes. Today the phrase is, he's got a short fuse. Okay, so what does this phrase mean? Okay, so if you imagine a bomb, okay, and at the top of the bomb in the old days used to have a little piece of coming out at the top. Used to set fire to this, and it would go, the fire would go to the bomb and then boom, explodes. Well, this bit that comes out the top of the bomb is the fuse. So if somebody's got a short fuse, it means it doesn't take long for them to explode. You know, if you're trying to annoy someone, provoke them or wind them up, and very quickly they just go boom. So by saying somebody's got a short fuse, you're saying don't provoke them. Because if you do, very quickly that person will explode because he's got a short fuse. Do you know anybody who's got a short fuse? I know quite a few people. I'd love you to tell me about these people, not necessarily their name, leaving a comment below here, please. If you've liked this video, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Just look for English with Stephen. If you've seen this video already, if you finished it and you liked it but you didn't understand everything, now you can watch it again with the subtitles. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.